Let's get your Spectrum Xumo Remote working seamlessly. First, for the Xumo Box itself, it should be pre-synced. Test this by trying to adjust the volume or power using the remote, pointing it at the box. Now to sync with your TV, locate the Setup button on the remote. Press and hold it until the LED light at the top begins to blink. Next, you'll need to enter a 4-digit code specific to your TV brand. You can find this code in the remote's manual or on the Spectrum support website. For example, the code for many Sony TVs is 756. Enter the code using the number buttons on the remote. If successful, the LED should blink again and then turn off. Test the volume, power, and input buttons to confirm the remote is controlling your TV. If it doesn't work, try again with a different code for your TV brand. Encountering issues with your Spectrum Xumo Remote? Try resetting it by holding the Setup and Power buttons simultaneously for 5 seconds. You can also use the Spectrum TV app available on iOS and Android and follow the remote setup wizard for guided assistance. Remember, for older TVs using IR signals, ensure a clear line of sight between the remote and the TV. For newer, Bluetooth-enabled remotes introduced in 2024, range extends up to 30 feet. Many Xumo remotes also support voice commands via Google Assistant or Alexa. Try saying "Change input to HDMI 1" to switch inputs hands-free. Finally, keep your remote's firmware updated via the Spectrum app to benefit from the latest improvements and bug fixes.